The federal judge says she was concerned that the priest would skip town just like he did in the 90s when similar allegations came up. Peggy and James McLaughlin know Catholic priest Arthur Perot well.
Father Arthur Perot gave us the sacrament of marriage at St. Bernadette's Church on October 22nd, 1988.
The couple, along with several other victims, were in court this morning for his detention hearing in federal court. The 80-year-old is suspected of assaulting a child under the age of 12 at Kirtland Air Force Base and the Santa Fe National Cemetery in the early 90s.
There were allegations at that time, and no criminal charges, indictments, allegations, however. And so we were taken aback, and we've been following whatever little snippets, were in the news ever since.
Today in court, his attorney tried to convince a judge to let him stay at a halfway house until his trial with a GPS monitor. His attorney says jail is too dangerous for his client, who has poor health. Court documents say the Catholic priest took off to Canada and then eventually made it to Morocco when he was reported to police for allegedly sexually abusing children in the early 90s. It's why prosecutors argued he should stay in jail. Although Perot no longer has his passport, they fear he could try and make it to Mexico. And the judge agreed, calling Perot a flight risk. The McLaughlins, along with others, applauded the judge's decision.
I was not applauding the results. I was applauding the fact that she promoted justice by focusing on the flight risk, not on the allegations.
The couple says the allegations make them want to renew their vows.
Just the thought of that person administering the vows to me is it just tarnishes everything in retrospect. Not our commitment to one another, but the sacred nature of the vow.
They say if he is found guilty, he deserves jail time.
I don't relish the fact of anyone being tortured or suffering their last days in ill health in a jail cell anywhere. However, we deserve to find justice for people that have been wronged.
Now, Perot's attorney plans on appealing the judge's decision later this week in Santa Fe. In Albuquerque, KD Mush, KYT, Action 7 News.